today for me has just been inspiring.
Fascinating.
Excitement.
A fantastic learning experience. Innovation is most powerful when it's shared. And the APAC High Tech Day was designed to not only share innovation, but also clinical expertise from our surgeons.
I think in APAC, there's massive shift in the patient's requirements, expectations in premium technology. But this is the right time for Bausch Lomb to showcase all the newest innovations to support their needs.
Today, I think Bausch Lomb has evolved over the years. I started with phaco machines, but today they have also got a microscope, a whole range of lenses, not just a monofocal. You have the plus coming on, you have the EDOF, you have the full range of vision. I think it's a really wonderful company to build your relationship with.
For us, Bausch Lomb really wants to be the surgeon's trusted partner and to help them throughout their journey from the beginning to the end to ultimately help patients see better to live better.
We are always be supportive to our surgeon in terms of education, clinical and also technical support, all branded as premium to our surgeon.
If everything that you're utilising, and I use the microscope, the phaco machine, the lenses, the viscoelastic, and even the IA handpiece are all Bausch & Lomb, and it's very nice to be able to sort of deal with one particular representative who I know will be there, who understands all of these, bits of equipment, who can then help me if there is any issues.
When I hear Bausch & Lomb, I think of unparalleled quality as well as wonderful support.
It is an innovative company, and it is getting more creative nowadays.
I think the word basically technology, high tech, vision, with respect to vision for not only what they want to try to do as a company, but also what they want to achieve for patients, and also growth into the future. When you're looking at what new technologies are coming into the market, this is very important, definitely as a surgeon, and I think definitely for our patients around the world as well.